Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix Snapchat not sending snaps. For example, if you try to send the snaps on your Snapchat to your friends and after that you see that snaps are not sending to your friends, and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to click on general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on general again, and this time you have to click on iPhone storage, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of Snapchat. So here you have to simply click on offload app, and after offloading the app you will find the option of reinstall the app. So here you have to simply reinstall the app, and after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the app store here, and here you have to simply search for Snapchat app, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Snapchat. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Snapchat app. And after updating the Snapchat app, you have to check whether your problem is solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you have to simply open the Snapchat here, and here you have to click on profile, and you have to go to settings, and here you have to simply look for help center, and here you have to find Snapchat support, and you have to tell the problem, what is the problem with you and why your apps are not sending. And after that they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. If the problem is still there, then you have to wait for some time so that a new kind of update is available, so that this can fix your error. So hope you have liked this video. When I get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.